Welcome in. We've got another highly anticipated unboxing. This is a product that I've wanted to try for some time now. This is from Loudvalve, and they are actually kind of local to me. So I want to give them a shot, and we're just going to unbox what I have purchased and kind of go over what's in there. But this is how it comes. It's very nicely packaged. We'll set this to the side, and this is what we're looking for right here, just immediately when we open the box. I'm not going to unbox, or I'm not going to pull this apart yet. We're going to get the rest stuff out of the box, and we'll lay it all out on the counter. So the next part in here is the pipe attachments that go to the actual valve itself. So let me just start by pulling these out. We'll set them here on the counter. And there's one more here, which is the turn down, and then we'll get them all unboxed here. So let's get that out of the way. And let's start with let's come out here and we'll start with the Loudvalve itself. So this guy is an exhaust dump. So you can get them in boost activated or vacuum actuated, and basically it's just a diaphragm on top. You connect a vacuum source or a boost line to it, and this will open based on the boost pressure or the vacuum that you apply to it. So a lot of people on like OEM vehicles, like exotics, usually they have a button you can flip and it's vacuum actuated, so at idle it'll pull this open and it'll change the path of the exhaust, so it's a little bit more throaty. And in our case, we're hoping to get a similar result. We're getting a bypass to just go straight out into a fender exit or under the car somewhere. So far looks like it's pretty good quality. It's like a giant cast stainless steel piece. Doesn't look too bad. I have no experience with these. I have seen them unboxed and used by like Matt Happel. He did this many years ago on one of his, I think it was his Colorado. And ever since then, I've wanted to try one. The kit that I purchased has a dump valve. So this is a nicely looking TIG welded stainless piece that slips in and is a dump, or you can turn it on the side, however you're going to run it. They just give this to you as an option. And then the other piece is this guy, which if you have fabrication skills, you could easily make this, but the kit was on sale for Black Friday, and I figured I would just buy all of it and then not have to fabricate this. It's kind of a pain in the butt to do a merge like this when you don't have the right tools, and I'm definitely not a fabrication shop. I just do stuff in my garage. So this is something that's interesting to me. So essentially you'd have the exhaust coming from the turbocharger, and then this guy sits in line and dumps in any direction that you need it to. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at. But I look forward to giving this a try, and I'll make a video when I install it and how to use it. I was also thinking of doing onboard air with this, so I'll do some sort of pressure vessel that stores the boost pressure when I'm in boost, and it has a solenoid on it, so I can use the boost pressure to open this up kind of whenever I want with a solenoid. So anyway, everything looks like it's good quality. Like looks like the standard like 16 gauge, I think, stainless steel pipe. It's all polished, looks really good. And I can't see anything immediately that would look like a failure point on these. I just hope that they don't leak. That's the biggest thing with cutouts. That's why I went with these guys, the Loudvalve company, is because all the electronic cutouts that I had seen on like Summit Racing and Jegs, they all have bad reviews where the solenoids and the flappers break apart after a while, and then you basically just have an exhaust leak. So anyway, that's our little unboxing. So I'll keep you posted when we put that all together. If you're looking for something similar, go ahead and check out Loudvalve. and give them a shot. You can check out their Instagram. That's where I've seen a lot of the builds that use these. So thanks again. If you like this kind of content and unboxing of cool parts, consider giving us a subscribe and or becoming a member. We'll see you next time.